Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches and overall review talk through of the super bright Catrice Neon Blast nail polishes. Catrice actually came out with 4 new shades. These are all hella neon and hella pigmented. Like, spoiler alert, these will make your heart beat faster. But of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's just start off with the first one already. This one is called Energizing Yellow. It is the first one. This one was let's say I was quite skeptic when I got this one because I've had my fair share of neon yellow polishes and they all were super sheer. They all needed a white opaque base color underneath. So I was kind of like hesitant to try this one because I really thought it would be really sucky and really sheer and just like another one added to the pile of failed neon yellow polishes. But after that first coat, okay, it wasn't completely opaque yet, but it was already so much better than all of the other neon yellow polishes that I have tried so far. And let me tell you, I have tried a ton of them in my lifetime so far. But yeah, I was just really blown away and really happy with that first coat already. And as you can see here, it is completely opaque within that second layer, and I couldn't be happier with this color. Like, it is so stunning, it is so bright, it is definitely a highlighter yellow neon color, super fun to wear during summer or pretty much all year round if you ask me. I just love neons any time of year. So yeah, it was completely opaque within 2 coats, so don't be a little like thrown off by the first layer, even though it was already way better than I expected it to be. So don't judge a polish on its first coat. The second one made it completely perfect. Oh, and a little disclaimer, the colors might look a little different than they are in real life, especially with the last color that I will be sharing. My camera was just not having it. It didn't want to pick up the color true to life. No matter what I did, it was just too bright that my camera was like, hell no, I'm not gonna record this properly. You guys know neon colors or any other bright color, they are pretty difficult to record true to life because cameras just can't handle the brightness. So yeah, that's just a little disclaimer. Other than that, the colors are pretty much as close as real life as they are in my video. I really do my best to give you like the best real life view to colors like this. So I really hope you can appreciate and enjoy the colors. So the second one I am applying already is called Dazzling Orange. It was so opaque already within that first coat. It was insane. I just decided to do a second coat just for the hell of it, like just having fun, because I felt like it was a little patchy in a couple of spots. I think that was mostly due to my application, because the polish is just super creamy. It applies so nicely. I love the brush that is in these, or in any Catrice polish for that matter. It's just really good. So yeah, as you can see here, Dazzling Orange, it's just a super bright orange color. As a true Dutch girl myself, I'm definitely wearing this color during King's Day in a little bit. So yeah, it's a really gorgeous color. Definitely pick it up if you like oranges as well. Then the third one is called Blazing Coral, and just to show you the difference, I held the orange color next to it just to share that they are definitely not the same. Blazing Coral is like more of a pinky coral color. Really gorgeous as well, and I'm just going to spill the beans already. This color, I kid you not, it was a one coater on my nails, and I definitely didn't expect that. Well, maybe I did expect it a little bit because the orange one was already really opaque within the first layer as well, but I just applied one coat of this beautiful coral color. It is so bright, it is just painful to look at. Like, it kind of hurts your eyes, but in a good way, because it is so bright and so stunning, and a lot of different people will rock this color. It will look good on so many different skin types and undertones in the skin. Like, seriously, pick this one up as well, because I don't know, I'm in love with this color. It is really stunning. Oh, and the prices of these polishes are only €3.59 each. Of course, Catrice is cruelty free. They are vegan. They are safe to use as well. And they do use a ton of recycled products to actually make their containers and bottles and stuff like that. So yeah, they're actually a pretty good brand if you ask me. Then the fourth and last color. This one was like where my camera started to be like, hell no, I'm not doing this. So that's why it might look a little weird every now and then. It was just too bright for my camera to pick it up true to life. Stuff happens, you know. It definitely is one of my favorite colors as well. This one is called Flashing Pink. Of course, it's a pink. It's my favorite. I can't help myself. I just love my pink colors. And this one is also compared to the coral color. This is like true pink, like Barbie pink, like so girly, so fun. I love it so much. And this one, even though on camera it looks a little sketchy, it was also a one coater, and I was really surprised by that as well, because you know, neon colors are so hard to make. Like, I have tried so many brands actually giving it a try and thinking they did like a good job, and then in the end you needed 3 coats, 4 coats, or maybe a white base underneath to really make it work. They tend to be really chalky and stuff like that, and just patchy and just not pretty. But Catrice has really, like, they've stolen my heart with this 4-piece collection. They are so good. Like, hands on, cross my heart and hope to die, this is the best neon polish collection that I've ever tried. And they're also really affordable. They're vegan, cruelty free. What else could you ask for? But yeah, this was my entire video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.